NAPA AutoCare Atlanta was a proud sponsor of the Northeast Georgia Council of the Boy Scouts of America's 2019 Scout Show, held at the Gwinnett County Fairgrounds in Lawrenceville, Georgia. This year, the event was joined together with the Spring Green Festival on Easter weekend. Supporting our local communities has always been important to NAPA AutoCare Centers, each individually owned by small business owners in our communities. We were joined by our sponsored automotive students from Maxwell High School to put on a great event, including the Pit Crew Challenge, Cornhole, a prize wheel, the NAPA AutoCare Atlanta Racer Refueling Station, offering food and refreshment, a photo booth and hashtag contest, where winners could win one of 3 prizes, including a limited edition Xbox, 2-in-1 tablet, and gift cards. And, of course, the Pinewood Derby race car competition for the council.
This has been going on with NAPA AutoCare as the title sponsor for the Pinewood Derby Championship race for 4 years. It keeps getting bigger and bigger each year. This is 26 counties of scout units that come here to Cub Scouts to race their Pinewood Derby car and be crowned the champion when it's all said and done.
We hope everyone had great fun at this year's event. NAPA AutoCare Atlanta has been proud to support the Boy Scouts of America in the Atlanta metro area since 2012. To help NAPA AutoCare Atlanta continue to support our local communities, please make the AutoCare Center nearest your home or work your choice for automobile maintenance and repair. Find the location nearest you by visiting NAPAAutoCareAtlanta.com or by calling 1-844-NAPA-ATL. Find out more about our connection with the Boy Scouts by visiting NAPAAutoCareAtlanta.com/scouting.